Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and do well. So in today's video we will just share you beautiful crafts ideas, crafts ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, I will share some cute and easy crafts ideas. Crafts are made with small fabric circle. They look soft, colorful and very beautiful. First, I use your flowers. Take small fabric cubes and join them like batter. Add a button in the center. Now you have a pretty flower. You can use it on cloth or decoration. And second area, your cushions cover. Make mini yo-yos in different colors. Stitch them on a cushion cover. It's look bright, fun and handmade. Next area is yo-yo wall art. Arrange yo-yos in different shapes like heart, circle, flower designs. Stick them on a board and will hang on wall. Yo-yo hair accessories. Attach a yo-yo hair clip or band. It's become a cute hair decoration. Another idea is yo-yo table runner. Join many yo-yos in a line. Place it on your table. It's give a soft and colorful look. And your friends, you can also make your waist. Use your waist to decorate a simple cloth bag. It looks stylish and unique. Blankets join many yo-yos together. Make a soft and cozy blanket perfect for winter. Another creative idea is yo-yo garland. Attach yo-yos on a thread. Hang it on a wall of window. It looks festive and beautiful. And friends, yo-yos keychain. Make small yo-yos and attach a key ring. Simple, cute and useful. Yo-yo crafts are very easy to make. You can use all fabric pieces. No waste, only creative. I hope you like these ideas. Tell me which one of is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Viewers, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers.